Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope you're fine and doing well. Welcome to the next tutorial of chart and ASP.NET MVC. In the previous tutorial we have done how can we get started with this chart thing in MVC, right? So in this tutorial we are going to implement. Okay, so first of all what I did, it's a script, JavaScript code, okay, which start from here. You can write it separately, put it in the JS file and then include here like we did, or you can do it in the same CSHTML file, okay, separately. Just enclose it inside the script, like for example script tags. I've started the script and close, but it should be either inside head or maybe down after the body. Okay, so okay, now we are going to start. So this is I'm calling the chart, okay, highcharts dot chart. It's from the library which we are using here. So highcharts dot chart, and then we have the ID of a div or a control where you want to display your chart. So here it is, right? Okay, next what we are going to do, we are going to pass different functions inside it. Okay, so not it's chart. Okay, now I need my chart type to be, okay, you can give it its type, what type you want. Like I want my chart to be line. Okay, there are different types you can give it. Like you can give it, if you give it line, it will be line with curves ups and down, or if you give SP line, some another type, it will be smooth curves, like there will be not sharp edges. Okay, we will check it, and you can give it pi, or you can give it, we have different types which I will discuss, or I will include here in the comments so that we can step by step try that one. Okay guys, so these are the types which it supports, like line, SP line, area, areas, SP line, column, bar, pi, and we can check that out. Okay, the next thing, uh, zoom type, zoom type, which should be x-axis, and we can be able to zoom it, right? To zoom the chart, for example, if it's a big graph, so we can zoom it specifically. We will check that out, and I will give it width, right? And my width should can be like 90 pixel. It is in pixel. Okay, the next thing is I want to give it a title, right? Title, and what can be the text? I can give it any text, like I will draw this graph for you know uh, speed, like distance and time, right? Is it fair? Yes, distance and time. Okay, so it will be distance and time graph, right? Okay, so it will be a title which will be up before, no, above the graph. And then we have x-axis, x-axis, sorry. Okay, you can also give a subtitle as well, like there will be a title and then there a subtitle. For subtitle we have subtitle the same way, and then text, right? We have text, we can write subtitle, right? And next we have x axis. Okay, so what you want in the x axis, I will give it a title. What title should I give? Text, and it will be like on the x-axis I want distance. uh, uh, yeah, or maybe I on the x-axis, okay, distance, right? And then we have, I will copy it, y-axis, y-axis, write y here. Okay, and then we have series. You can give data here, right? And the series, for example, what is the okay guys, so then we have this is series. Like here we will pass the data, and if you look, I have hard coded the data. Okay, put it inside this variable. It's um, two-dimensional array, right? If you see one, I have like it will be on x-axis, and then we have y-axis. Okay, so we need two datas, right? Here it will be time, sorry, distance and time. It will be a graph between distance and time, and then we have series. Okay, uh, here I will give name. Okay, what distance, time. Okay, and then here I have to pass the data. Okay, the data will be variable, right? So what I have done, I have initialize or define the chart, and then its type, zoom type, width, and then I give it a title, then subtitle, then x-axis, then y-axis, right? And then I am passing the data, right? Now we will check if it works or not. Hope it will work. Okay guys, so we have run the application. Now we will see, okay, our controller is this one. Okay, we have not given it a link so that we can click and go directly to there, so we will type it manually. We have this controller, and then we have index view. If you see, this is the index view, and this is, see, this is the controller, so we can go to that directly. Hope it will work. Okay, yes. So yes, look, this is the main title, then we have subtitle, and then we have this distance, time, which I give, and this is the data, right? This is the data. Look, now if I move over my mouse through the line, it is giving me this tooltip. Okay, we can, by default it is, true, like it will be there, but we can make it false, and then it will not be popping up. Or we can give it inside this small, window, we can give it our own design, our own structure, like how we want this data to be displayed here. Okay, we have to, move this distance, okay, to here, and time down. Okay, it will be distance and this will be time, so we will replace it here. This is time and this is distance. So guys, and if we refresh, we can see the change. Okay, so this is our graph. Okay, and this is distance and this is time. Okay, by clicking here we can, remove, show, and hide, show, hide, right? And this is it. We have created a chart with a line. Okay, this is x-axis, this is sorry, this is y-axis, and this is x-axis. Okay guys, so this was it. We have successfully, created it for one data. For this is only one line which is displayed. We can do it for multiple data as well, like for the same distance and time, you have uh, one line here, one another line. We can do it. We will do it in the next tutorial. Also we will do different types of you know these charts. We will, see how can we implement the different types of charts, and also we will change its design for the tooltip, okay, and the structure. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask. uh, in the comment or you can email me. um, Hope you got everything. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next tutorial.